Have you recently noticed foam or bubbles in your urine? Or maybe your doctor mentioned that you have protein in your urine? This isn't something you should ignore. It could be a sign of a condition called proteinuria, and it's more serious than it sounds. Proteinuria happens when your kidneys are no longer filtering waste properly. Instead of keeping important proteins inside your body, your kidneys start leaking them into the urine. This usually means that the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys, the ones that act like natural filters, are damaged or under stress. In healthy kidneys, protein should stay in your blood, not pass out with your urine. So when it shows up in your urine, it's a red flag. Left untreated, this can slowly lead to kidney failure, high blood pressure, and even the need for dialysis later in life. But here's the good news. There are natural, safe, and effective ways to reverse it. And in this video, I'm going to share 7 powerful remedies, what I call the secret formula, that can help you stop proteinuria and protect your kidneys for years to come. These aren't complicated treatments or expensive therapies. They're based on simple lifestyle changes, healing foods, and proven home remedies. And be sure to stay till the very end, because number 1 is the most overlooked, yet the most powerful remedy of them all. If you care about your kidney health and want to prevent serious damage, this video might be one of the most important things you watch today. Before we begin, just take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural, science-backed tips that could change your life. Now, let's dive into the 7-step secret formula to stop proteinuria fast. 7. Start your day with barley water. Barley water is one of the most underrated drinks when it comes to kidney health, especially for those dealing with proteinuria. It acts as a natural cleanser for your kidneys, flushing out excess protein, toxins, and sodium through urine in a gentle and effective way. Barley contains beta-glucans and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your kidneys and support the healing of tiny damaged filters. To prepare it, boil 1 tablespoon of barley seeds in 2 cups of water for about 10-15 minutes. Let it cool, strain, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure not to add any sugar or salt. Keep it plain. With regular use, many people have reported improved urine clarity, reduced foaming, and better overall kidney function. Give it a try for 7 to 10 days and observe the difference. It's a small step with a big impact. 6. Eat red bell peppers, not tomatoes. You might love tomatoes in your salad or sandwich, but they can be harsh on your kidneys if you're fighting proteinuria. Tomatoes are high in potassium and acidity, which can increase inflammation and irritate weakened kidneys. Red bell peppers, on the other hand, are the perfect alternative. They are low in potassium and rich in vitamin C, A, and powerful antioxidants like lycopene, nutrients that fight free radicals and protect kidney cells from further damage. They also help reduce water retention and provide a refreshing crunch to your meals. Try roasting them, tossing them into stir-fries, or eating them raw as a healthy snack. Making this simple switch can ease the burden on your kidneys while still giving your meals great flavor and color. 5. Go salt-free for 2 weeks. This one can be tough at first, but the benefits are worth it. Salt, or more specifically, sodium, is a major culprit behind high blood pressure, which is the enemy of healthy kidneys. When your sodium intake is high, your body holds on to more water, increasing blood pressure and making it harder for your kidneys to function properly. Going completely salt-free, even for just 2 weeks, gives your kidneys a chance to rest and heal. You may notice a reduction in swelling, clearer urine, and even lower protein levels in your lab reports. Use herbs and spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger, lemon juice, garlic, and black pepper to flavor your food instead. These not only add taste, but also support your kidney health in their own unique ways. Start reading food labels, avoid packaged snacks, and stay away from pickles and restaurant meals during this time. After 2 weeks, you'll likely feel so much better that you won't even miss the salt. 4. Take 30 minutes of slow walking daily. It might sound too simple, but don't underestimate the power of a daily 30-minute walk, especially if you're dealing with proteinuria or any form of kidney stress. Gentle physical activity like walking helps improve blood circulation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently and filter waste more effectively. Walking also plays a crucial role in managing two major causes of proteinuria: high blood pressure and high blood sugar. Regular movement helps stabilize both, preventing further damage to the tiny filters, glomeruli, inside your kidneys. The best part, you don't need a gym membership. Just wear comfortable shoes and take a walk in the morning or evening, preferably in a peaceful environment like a park or quiet street. Even if you can't walk for 30 minutes at once, start with 10-15 minutes and gradually increase the duration. The consistency is what matters, not speed. So, walk your way to better kidney health, one step at a time. 3. Switch to a plant-based, low-protein diet. What you eat directly impacts how your kidneys function. If you're consuming a lot of animal protein, like red meat, chicken, or full-fat dairy, your kidneys may be working overtime to process the waste products from that protein. This puts a lot of pressure on the already strained kidney filters, worsening protein leakage into the urine. That's why switching to a plant-based, low-protein diet can be a game changer for those dealing with proteinuria. Focus on eating more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and plant-based protein sources like lentils in moderation, tofu, and beans. These foods are easier on your kidneys and still provide the essential nutrients your body needs. Limit your intake of red meats, cheese, eggs, and packaged or fried foods, which often contain added salt and unhealthy fats. You don't need to eliminate protein entirely, just reduce the amount and choose smarter, more kidney-friendly sources. A lighter diet means your kidneys have less to filter, giving them a chance to rest, recover, and heal. 2. Start drinking coriander seed water. This simple home remedy has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for centuries, and it's especially helpful for kidney issues like proteinuria. Coriander seeds have natural anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties that help your body flush out toxins and reduce swelling in the kidneys. To make coriander seed water, boil 1 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds in 1 cup of water for 10-15 minutes. Let it cool, strain, and drink it once a day, preferably in the morning or before bedtime. It has a light, earthy flavor and is very gentle on the stomach. Regular consumption can help balance fluid levels in the body, reduce urinary protein leakage, and even support healthy blood pressure. Many people also find it helps with bloating and digestion, which are often linked to kidney problems. Try drinking it consistently for 10 to 15 days and see how your body responds. This is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to support your kidneys naturally. 1. Control your blood sugar, even if you're not diabetic. This is the most important and most commonly overlooked secret when it comes to stopping proteinuria fast. Even if you don't have diabetes, uncontrolled or frequent spikes in blood sugar can silently damage your kidneys over time. You see, your kidneys contain millions of tiny blood vessels that act as filters. When your blood sugar is high, even for short periods, it puts extra pressure on these delicate filters, causing them to leak protein into the urine. That's why managing your blood sugar is absolutely critical, whether or not you've been diagnosed with diabetes. So what can you do? Start by reducing your intake of refined sugars and simple carbs like white rice, bread, pastries, sweets, and soda. Replace them with whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice. Include fiber-rich vegetables in every meal. Spinach, broccoli, cucumbers, and leafy greens are all great choices. Also, try to eat smaller, more balanced meals throughout the day to avoid sugar spikes. Drinking cinnamon water or adding fenugreek seeds to your diet can naturally help regulate blood sugar levels too. Finally, check your blood sugar levels occasionally, even if you're not diabetic, just to stay informed. Because the truth is, controlling blood sugar isn't just about avoiding diabetes. It's the #1 secret to protecting your kidneys and stopping proteinuria for good. And there you have it, 7 natural and effective remedies that can help you stop proteinuria and protect your kidneys before it's too late. Remember, your kidneys work silently, day and night, filtering your blood and keeping your body clean. But when they start leaking protein, it's their way of asking for help. You don't have to wait for things to get worse. You can take control today by making small changes that bring big results. Drink your barley water, move your body, eat smart, and keep your blood sugar in check. Every step you take brings your kidneys one step closer to healing. So take this knowledge seriously, share it with your loved ones, and most importantly, start today. Your kidneys will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more life-saving health tips, and share it with someone who needs this information right now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.